In today's fast-paced world, convenience, efficiency, and health are key when it comes to cooking. This Proctor Silex 3.7 quart air fryer oven with temperature control and a 30-minute timer is designed to check all these boxes. With a 350 watts power output and a non-stick basket, this air fryer makes preparing meals a breeze. But is it the right appliance for your kitchen? Let's take a deep dive into what makes the Proctor Silex 3.7 quart air fryer a must-have for health-conscious individuals and busy households alike. Why choose the Proctor Silex 3.7 quart air fryer oven? One of the biggest selling points of the Proctor Silex air fryer is its versatility. Whether you're cooking for your family or just whipping up a quick snack, this appliance is the perfect size for 3 to 4 serving. Its 3.7 quart capacity makes it ideal for everything from French fries to chicken wings, allowing you to prepare a variety of meals without having to use multiple appliances. The air fryer's ability to cook with little to no oil is a huge plus, especially for those who are health conscious. The appliance uses hot air to crisp up your food, which means you get the delicious taste and texture of fried foods without the added calories and unhealthy fats. Imagine indulging in crispy French fries or golden chicken wings with up to 75% less fat compared to traditional frying methods. This air fryer allows you to enjoy your favorite foods guilt-free, making it a great choice for anyone looking to maintain a healthier diet without sacrificing flavor. One of the standout features of the Proctor Silex air fryer is its speed. This appliance cooks faster than a traditional oven, which is a game changer when it comes to meal prep. Whether you're making a quick weeknight dinner or preparing snacks for a gathering, the air fryer's powerful 1350 watts heating system ensures that your food is cooked quickly and evenly. No more waiting around for your oven to preheat or worrying about uneven cooking. This air fryer takes care of it all. The air fryer also comes equipped with an easy-to-use temperature control dial that allows you to cook at temperatures ranging from 200 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This wide range of temperatures ensures that you can cook a variety of foods to perfection, whether you're air frying, baking, or reheating leftovers. And with the 30-minute timer, you can set it and forget it. The air fryer will automatically shut off when your food is done, ensuring that you never overcook or burn your meals. Cleaning up after cooking can be a hassle, but the Proctor Silex air fryer makes it easy. The non-stick basket and crisping insert are both removable and dishwasher safe, which means you can spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your meal. Cool touch handle and housing also add an extra layer of safety, ensuring that you don't accidentally burn yourself while handling hot food. This air fryer is designed for convenience in every way, from the user-friendly temperature dial and timer to the easy cleanup process. It's clear that the Proctor Silex air fryer was made with busy households in mind. You can prepare a meal quickly, enjoy delicious, crispy food, and then clean up in no time. It's a win-win for anyone looking to streamline their cooking process. Whether you're cooking a family dinner or preparing snacks for a party, the Proctor Silex air fryer can handle it all. It delivers consistent results across a variety of foods, from crispy fries and wings to tender chicken and perfectly roasted vegetables. Even baked goods like muffins and cookies come out evenly cooked, making this appliance a versatile addition to your kitchen. If you're someone who loves variety in your meals, this air fryer is a great investment. Its ability to cook a wide range of foods means you can experiment with different recipes without having to buy multiple appliances. Plus, the quick cooking time and easy cleanup make it ideal for anyone who values efficiency in the kitchen. In today's health-conscious world, many people are looking for ways to cut down on unhealthy fats and calories without sacrificing taste. The Proctor Silex air fryer allows you to do just that. By using hot air to cook your food, this appliance gives you the crispy texture you love without the need for excess oil. This means you can enjoy your favorite fried foods with up to 75% less fat, making it a great choice for anyone who wants to eat healthier. The Proctor Silex air fryer also helps you avoid the mess and hassle of deep frying. No more dealing with hot oil, splatters, or greasy cleanup. This air fryer takes care of everything for you. Simply load your food into the non-stick basket, set the temperature and timer, and let the appliance do the rest. It's a healthier, cleaner, and more convenient way to enjoy delicious fried foods. Final thoughts. Overall, the Proctor Silex 3.7 Quart air fryer oven is a fantastic appliance for anyone looking to make quick, delicious, and healthy meals. Its versatile design, fast cooking times, and easy cleanup make it a great addition to any kitchen. Whether you're cooking for yourself, your family, or a gathering, this air fryer can handle it all with ease. If you're tired of unhealthy deep-fried foods or spending too much time in the kitchen, Proctor Silex air fryer is the perfect solution. It's easy to use, efficient, and delivers consistently great results, making it a must-have for any home cook. If you enjoyed this review, like the video, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.